how to repost a post on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I will guide you on how you can repost a specific post on Instagram, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to repost a post on Instagram, all you have to do is just go ahead and simply launch the Instagram app, and let's say that there is a specific post that you want to repost. Let's say this photo or this anything right over here, right? All you have to do is simply take a screenshot of that photo. Now once you've taken a screenshot of that photo like this, you just need to go ahead and crop it based on its size as well. So if you want to crop out the name as well, you can just go ahead and crop that out. So I'll just select the edit button, and then I'll actually remove all those sizes over here, as you can see. Now I'll just tap on save. If I want, I can also go ahead and use the same caption on my new post. So I'll tap on the plus icon, I'll choose that specific photo, I'll tap on next, and now you can see I can simply repost that specific photo to my profile. This is simply how you can repost a post on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.